Photoelectric effect Hertz observations. Here you have a transistor that produces a spark between the metallic sphere. This spark gives out electromagnetic waves. And you have a receiver. Between the two metallic sphere, you have a very weak spark. This gives the presence of electromagnetic wave. To increase the intensity of the spark, these metallic spheres are exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Thereby, the spark becomes more vigorous and intense. To explain the spark change, the spark becomes more intense. To explain this phenomena, Hallwachs gives an explanation. This is called Hallwachs observations. In 1888, Wilhelm Hallwachs, a German physicist, explained the strange behavior of the spark is due to the emission of electron with his simple experiment. Here, a clean circular plate of zinc is mounted on an insulating stand and is attached to a gold leaf electroscope by a wire. There are three cases. The first case, here you have a uncharged electroscope. The zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Few particles are emitted. Thereby, the zinc plate becomes positive and the leaves are going apart. Thereby, we can confirm that the emitted particles are negative in nature. When the uncharged zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet light from an arc lamp, it becomes positively charged and the leaves will open. Let us go for case 2. Here we have taken negatively charged electroscope. The zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet radiation and few particles are emitted. Now the leaves are getting closer, confirming that the negative charged particles are leaked out. If the negatively charged zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet light, the leaves will come closer as the charges leaked away quickly. So the emitted particles are negatively charged. Let us go for case 3. Here we have taken positively charged electroscope. The zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Few particles are emitted. We find the leaves are getting apart further, means it becomes more positively charged. So the emitted particles are negatively charged. If the positively charged zinc plate is exposed to ultraviolet light, it becomes more positive and the leaves open further. From these observations, it was concluded that negatively charged electrons were emitted from the zinc plate under the action of ultraviolet light.